This is a video walkthrough tour of 6802 East Paradise Lane in Scottsdale, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Scottsdale, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Scottsdale. This North Scottsdale gem features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It is located minutes from some of the best entertainment, shopping, and dining that Arizona has to offer. The kitchen features a bright, neutral color palette, as well as stainless steel appliances and a dining area. This home has recently undergone lots of renovation work, and you can be the first person to live in this updated gem. Wood-style flooring has been added throughout the home, while the rear yard has a covered patio, allowing you to enjoy the beautiful Arizona weather. Other features of this home include a U-shaped driveway, giving you access to the 2-car garage while also allowing for extra guest parking. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. And finally, here we have the primary bedroom with its own private bathroom. Thanks for watching today's tour of this lovely home in Scottsdale. Have a wonderful day.